So where I'm standing now in this ball field used to be one of the largest brick buildings west of Chicago. After that first winter, they went on a building spree. They learned how to dig clay and make their own bricks, and made more than 1 million of them. Big Brick, which would have gone from me to home base all across this ball field, was the largest brick building west of Chicago. Nearly 100 apartments. And on the ground floor was the dining room, where they served 3 breakfasts, 3 lunch, and 3 dinner. So across the gully was the bakery/brewery, where they would brew a low alcohol beer, even children drank it, safer than the water. And then they would take the spent grain and dry it, toast it, grind it, and make a Swedish cracker. On the other side of the gully was also the butcher shop. And they would butcher the animals and then store them in the ground floor, stored in salt and cool underground. But there's so much salt in that butcher block floor that even today, if you have furniture with metal feet, it will rust. So this was the heart of the community where they lived and fed each other. Big Brick, the brewery/bakery, and the meat packing and meat storage. Let's head over to the church.